Hello, this is Jahan Azizi. I'm a Special Project Manager with Healthmark, and today we're going to talk about the AquaTest. The AquaTest is a test strip that tests for pH, alkalinity, and the hardness of water. The AquaTest comes in a pack of 25 individually sealed test strips just like this. Each test strip consists of 3 pads. The first pad measures for pH. We want to know the level of pH in our water because it could change the detergent effectiveness. This second pad measures for alkalinity. The level of alkalinity in water indicates the water's stability, which is important for things like temperature or mineral content. The third pad measures for hardness. Hardness is the level of mineral in water, which can also alter the detergent's effectiveness. By monitoring these 3 factors of water quality, the cleaning process can be optimized to ensure that equipment and instruments are getting cleaned properly. Poor water quality can create issues as small as staining or pitting on instrument, or as large as ruptured pipes. Monitoring water quality can also create less work for employees and machines because cleaning is done properly the first time. AquaTest can also help you to meet ANSI AMI ST108 guidelines on water quality monitoring. Water is a dynamic environment that can change with things such as modification to the building, weather, or filtration system. That's why we recommend testing the water quality daily. To use AquaTest, start by collecting from a hot water source. Be sure to collect enough water for all 3 pads to be submerged. You may want to collect water from the sink for 2 reasons. This is where the manual cleaning is done, and this may be the same water that feeds into your automated washer. Now we will open up a test strip. Be sure to avoid touching the test pad. Now we will dip the strip into the water and stir for 5 seconds. Remove a strip and shake off excess water. Wait 20 seconds for results. Now that 20 seconds has passed, we can interpret the results. Compare the color of each test pad to its corresponding row on the chart. Be sure to record your result on the log sheet available at hmark.com. Next, we will repeat the process using cold water from the same water source. Healthmark recommends the pH, alkalinity, and hardness ranges shown here for your facility to consider when establishing target values. If the result falls outside the target value, follow facility protocol and notify the department who is responsible for your water system. So that completes the steps for our easy-to-use AquaTest. For more information, visit hmark.com or contact your local Healthmark representative.